All right, boys and girls, here we are with another real estate tour from Lake Chapala, Mexico. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I'm a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today, we're looking at 3 properties listed between the prices of $274,000 to $304,000 US dollars. And like I said in my last video, most everything these days is priced in pesos in this area. So I am doing the current exchange rate at the time of this video. So if you do contact me because you're interested in one of these properties, the price may differ just a little bit. I'm gonna get through my usual spiel very quickly so that we can get on with this video. If you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. And if you're looking to sell your property, now is the time to do it. We are gonna come into a crazy seller's market by the end of this year, I predict. So now would be the time to list your property because everybody up there is looking at what's available down here. If you are looking to buy in the Lake Chapala area, you can email me and I can send you some listings, or I can guide you to the MLS so that you can kind of browse on your own. And if you're coming down to visit, I can take you on tour to see a few homes. Also, feel free to visit my website, therealamandaturner.com. If you are coming down to visit, we have a bed and breakfast in Ajijic Centro, voted best B&B in Lake Chapala in the last 2 years. And our coffee shop is attached to that, is open to the public 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It also won Best of Lake Chapala for best coffee the last 2 years. And every Wednesday is free Americano day, so come and get your free Americano all day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And the bed and breakfast, all the rooms have air conditioning, Wi-Fi, streaming TVs. We pay for Netflix and Amazon Prime, so you don't have to log in when you come here. Air conditioning, refrigerator, reverse osmosis water, safes, super comfy, cute rooms. I love our B&B so much. All right, let's get on with the show. First house we're looking at is located in West Ajijic, and this is a new build, new development, nice community pool. Let's go check it out. All right, everybody, first house we're touring today is $274,000 US dollars. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 166 square meters or 1,787 square feet. The lot size is 347 square meters or 3,737 square feet. The HOA is 1,000 pesos per month, which I think is amazing. It does not come furnished, and it's located in West Ajijic. Everybody, first house we're looking at is located right here. Here we are in the gated community of Alebrijes. And it looks like they are possibly constructing about 10 to 15 homes in this area. So here is the community pool here with a little bit of a community center here with bathrooms and whatnot. So if we zoom out of this area, so here is the whole development right here. Okay, you come in right here, and this is the main highway. This is the Jocotepec Chapala highway right here that leads you from Joco to Chapala. What's really cool about this is that if you are standing on the roof of this house right here, maybe even if you're in the house, you can see Ponchos from that house. So you can literally walk right over to Ponchos and get your groceries if you need to. There are also some restaurants right in here in this little plaza here, and there's a really cool little chocolate store. Chacolac is in there. And what else is around here? You've got some other restaurants that are really nice through here, and you're in West Ajijic, so you can just come on down this road and check out what's in there. It won't take you too long to get to Ajijic. And if you go the other direction to San Juan Cosala, you're where all the geothermal water spas are. So this is an excellent area right here. And if you were to drive from this house to Ajijic on a Saturday at 8 p.m., it will take you 10 minutes. Looks like there's a bit of traffic back up over here, and you don't have to go all the way down here and turn down here. You can turn in other places through here and just go through the town to get to Ajijic Centro. To drive from this house to Jocotepec will take you 23 minutes. To drive from this house to the Guadalajara International Airport will take you 44 minutes. To get to this house to Costco will take you 1 hour, 9 minutes. You can either go this way or you can take the Joco bypass, which is right here, and go up the back way of Guadalajara to get to Costco. It'll probably take you about the same amount of time. Okay, second home that we're looking at today is really cute. It's a little tight, so 1 to 2 people could live there. But the view from this place, like I was not expecting it when I walked in here. It was absolutely beautiful. And the layout of it, okay, it's like a long corridor, okay? But the way that they constructed this was really efficient, and I like that. I love small spaces. I love making small spaces super cozy, and I don't know, there's something just like really cozy about small homes, small spaces, you know? So let's go see this one. Alrighty, second house we're touring today is listed at $277,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 147 square meters or 1,582 square feet. The lot size is 184 square meters or 1,984 square feet. It is not located in a gated community. It comes furnished, and it's located in Riberas del Pilar. Okay, house number 2 is located right here. Here is the back patio where you saw that beautiful view of the lake. And this is actually part of this development here, but it's not, this is the gate to get into the other homes that are here. So it's not actually considered part of the gated community, although it is the same build as the rest of it. So that's why you're not paying an HOA fee. All right, if we zoom out from that area a little bit, you shall see that here's the main highway that leads you from Chapala to Jocotepec. That whole area is called the Lakeside area. Let me zoom out so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if the house is here in Rivera, this is Chapala, taking maybe 10 minutes to get into Chapala Centro, and they have a really nice malecón there and shopping and everything like that. And then this is Joco down on the west end of the lake. Okay, so here's our house right here, and all through Riberas you have a lot of cool stuff going on. You have a lot of nice restaurants. Gato Feo Cafe is pretty nice. Oh, you got a dog school in here. That's cool. Gas station right here. There's an OXXO in there. This area of Riberas is known for having secondhand furniture stores. So there are a lot of consignment type furniture stores through here, which is really nice because you can find some really cool stuff in these stores. You don't have to go all the way to Guadalajara to get nice furniture. And they're kind of located everywhere around town, but the majority of them are going to be here. To get from this house to Chapala Centro would take you 11 minutes. Ooh, I was 1 minute off, but if you speed a little bit, you can get there in 10. From that house to Ajijic Centro would take you 14 minutes. From this house to the airport would take you 38 minutes, about 6 minutes faster than the last house. Okay, third house we're checking out is in Chapala. It's actually in Chapala Centro, so you're walkable to everything, okay? And it's right across the street from the old train station, which is now turned art museum. And this place is actually very beautiful to walk through. The street that it's on is very lush and cobblestoney and wide and beautiful. And the development itself is very nice. If you're into kind of like that modern design and everything, you're gonna like this. I do have to mention, because the couple of the two couples that I've been taking on tour this past week or two, beautiful people. Like, they're just, I love the people that I've been meeting lately and taking on buyer tours and everything. Like, these people are excellent, but both sets of couples want something modern. So I think the last couple videos have kind of been a little modern in design. So if you're into that, that's good, but you can't beat the location. So let's go see it. Third and final home we're checking out today is listed at $304,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 200 square meters or 2,153 square feet. The lot size is 255 square meters or 2,745 square feet. The HOA is 2,500 pesos per month. It does not come furnished, and it's located in Chapala Centro.
A mí eso no me importa, mi deseo tiene otra forma. Las cumbias que yo compongo son materia de otra cosa. Corazón, corazón anclado, anclado en tu querer. Un barco encallado que no puede volver. Por las noches veo la luna, me mira suspirando. Anhelo esos momentos en que estoy a tu lado. Nacemos con el derecho de ser parte de un poblado. A muchos ese sueño se nos ha negado. Solo quiero seguir cantando, tomando y fumando, gozando, bailando con la cumbia de mi amor. No hay ola que me detenga, cantando sigue mi navegar. No hay ola que me detenga, cantando sigue mi
All right, everybody, here's the third and final home that we're looking at right here. Here's the entrance to the community. I will show you the entire community. That is this whole thing right here. And they're still in the process of building a lot of these homes through here. They're very beautiful. They're modern. It's pretty nice. I like it. The pool area is very nice. You got the gym in there and everything. And then, so this is kind of a main thoroughfare right here. And right here is the old train station. And they even have like a little train caboose thing right here, and this is now an art museum, and it's beautiful. If you get the chance, if you're visiting the area, go to this train station in Chapala. It's very nice. And then go over to this vivero right here. Oh my God, it's so cool. There's so many plants in there for sale, and they've decorated it really nicely. It's the cutest little place. Okay, so here's our home right here. You'll notice that we are right in the middle of Chapala Centro. You can walk from here, come on down here and go to the Malecon. And plenty of shopping and dining through here. Chapala is very much like city living. It's small town urban life. So yeah, it's kind of nice. So all of your emergency services are located through here. The Red Cross is in here. There are some hospitals and clinics through here. San Antonio Hospital is right over here, so it's not too far away. Your bomberos, your fire trucks, fire department is up here, so they'll come from there. To get from that house, like driving from that house to the Malecon is 6 minutes, but if you just walked over there, I'm sure it'd be like a 10-minute walk, 10 to 15-minute walk. To get to that house from Ajijic would take you 20 minutes if you go this direction, which is up here and taking the Libramiento down to Ajijic. Or you can go through Chapala here and then take this kind of scenic route through Riberas and San Antonio to get to Ajijic. To get from that house to Guadalajara International Airport will take you 32 minutes. What is that, like 4 minutes less than the last house? And then if you do need to do a major grocery haul, so I would recommend Soriana. It's like Mexico's version of Walmart, but it's way nicer. And it's right here. It would take you 5 minutes to drive over there. All right, everybody, I'm done here. Just kidding. I will see you in the next video. Hopefully it won't be too long till the next one. Remember, if you're looking to buy or sell, email me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. If you enjoyed this video, if it gave you some insight, if it improved your life, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments down below if you have any questions about this area and how to buy and just whatever, you know? Okay, I'll see you next week. Bye.